So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and convert a video file to MP4, WebM or MKV format. So for that, in the source selection, I'm going to go around onto file right here, and let me just go around onto the videos folder right here and then select out a video right here. Like for example, I'm going to select the keyboard video, which is in MP4 format. You can see the preview of it right here. So now what you can simply do is select out a format that you want if you want to quickly convert it. Let's say I want to convert it in MKV, then you can simply select this out right here just like this, and then go ahead and choose where you want to export it. So right now it's in videos keyboard right here, but you can go ahead and browse and select a location on where you want to export. So I'm just going to go around over here just like this, and then go around over here onto the videos folder itself right here, and then export this out. Let's say for example this is keyboard 1 right here, so I'm just going to say converted right here just like this, because I'm exporting it to the same folder, and then I'm going to click on save right here. So now once you select the format right here as you need, whether be it WebM or MKV or MP4, simply go ahead and click on start encode, and what happens is that it goes ahead and encodes out that particular video. So depending on the length of the video, it may take some time for the video to get converted, and that is normal right here. So you can see that it is loading right here just like this, and it's almost done, as you can see right here just like this, and the video is converted now. So it's exporting out the file right here. So the queue is finished. And then over here you can see that I have this video MKV format right here, which has been converted. And that is how you can convert the video as you like to MP4, WebM or MKV format as you like easily inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.